Hey, this is Adam. This has nothing to do with the house, but anyway, I have a battery charger that I really like and it quit working. I just wanted to kind of share with you what I had to do to fix it. So let's go inside. My tiny little tool shed. This is an old school charger. As you can see, it's been outside for quite some time. But the really bad part about most of the modern chargers is they have electronics on them. And if the battery's pretty low, it won't charge them. It just won't do anything. It just sits there and looks at it like it's a stupid ass piece of shit that it was. I really hate those things. Anyway, so what I found out is I checked the contacts and used some 2000 grit sandpaper and touched them off with some dielectric grease. Cleaned them off. I checked the connections. That was good. That switch was good. I checked the transformer for power, and it had this power supply. But what I did find is I had power going in and not power going out. This is basically a kind of a circuit breaker kind of like apparatus here. There's two of them together. Anyway, so I moved the cable from here to here just to test it. You hear the fan coming on, which it was doing before. Oh, look, we're charging now. Yay. So now all I have to do is go to the store or go to Amazon, order one of these, put it on there, and it is fixed, and I can put my dinosaur back together. There's charging a kind of a boat style connected kind of battery down here. I really hate the new chargers. Fix up an old one if you get a chance. At least they work. Anyway, thanks for watching.